Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to start by confirming accounts and radio services. Sign into the same Apple ID on your iPad and Mac, then enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and handoff. This allows the two devices to discover each other. Once done, put the iPad near the Mac to prompt pairing. Accept any confirmation codes shown so the systems trust each other. Make sure both are unlocked and awake. This speeds discovery and prevents repeated prompts while you continue to link features. Next, you'll choose how the iPad will be used. On your Mac, open Control Center or the display menu to find AirPlay and sidecar controls. Select your iPad to mirror or extend the desktop. For sidecar, set where the sidebar and touch bar appear so your workflow feels natural. If sharing files instead, use AirDrop from the Max Finder or Share menu and tap your iPad when it appears. Make sure both devices show as connected in menus so interactions are responsive. Finish by verifying the link works. Drag a window to the iPad if using Sidecar, or send a test file via AirDrop. If things go wrong, restart both devices and toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Intermittent radios are the usual culprit. Also make sure both devices run compatible OS versions. Updating often resolves handoff and AirPlay problems. If the iPad still won't appear, sign out and back into iCloud on both devices. Then repeat pairing to clear stale trust records.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.